Hello and welcome to a presentation on smart tree watering. Combined rooftop space in Dhaka city is very large, but there is little incentive for citizens to go into gardening as it requires extensive focus. This includes regularly watering the plants, which becomes a core for many. It is an app-based solution with one additional device that maintains the water supply. It controls the water pump and transmits the data to the cloud. The user will connect to the device via a phone using the app, which establishes the connection in two ways, either the internet or the Bluetooth. Once connected, one can water the plant from the tap of a button. The application will show the user the temperature and the moisture level data, enabling the user to make informed choice on whether to water the plant or not, enabling them to apply condition-based watering judging the moisture level. It also shows the weather forecast using the darksky.net API, providing accurate forecast. Rooftop gardening could be a way to fight with global warming as well as a means of extra income.
Our project can make garden watering system much simpler, energy sufficient, environment friendly, and can reduce water wastage using IoT, which will take the concept of transformation into smart city and smart village much further. Our project's implementation will make our gardening system simpler, encouraging those who are unable to garden due to busy schedule to do so, which will benefit both our ecosystem and economic development.
Thank you.